So they want to keep your cup full. Alright, so back to the video. Now we got 14 minutes. So what happened is we'll upload eating out with fat girls. No, that's not what it is. It's eating out with lesbians. But anyway, we'll upload the video. Eating out with fat lesbians. Okay. This right here I'm eating, it's called rainbow shrimp.
Man, listen, I tried that shit. But listen, let me tell you real shit. Because I'm the boldest and everything else. So.
You the boss?
I tell you real shit. My appetite was just like that until I ate these chicken wings. These motherfucking chicken wings. And then I was like, okay, I want some food. So at this point, I've been just like making plates and taste testing. And I was like, alright.
This chicken wing.
I was like, yo, this chicken wing is so good. I was like, oh, this chicken wing good.
She really did.
But then, this is my favorite thing. So, it's strawberry ice cream and then the fried donuts covered in sugar. Ooh. Every Chinese place I eat at, I have to eat this. Probably, it's the best combination. I swear.
I want some before
I even had the manager. Shout out to the manager at A Star. She went back in the back and got me a big ass tub of fresh strawberry ice cream. So I was the first one to put the scoop in the bucket.
Shout out to the manager.
Yeah, because I was like, where's the strawberry ice cream? She was like, I get it. I said, okay, that's sweet. She ain't give me no issues. So very nice.
That's great. I love it. Makes me want to come back. And the food is not bad. Alright, I started this video late. We ate them ribs.
Oh yeah, I do like the ribs.
Them ribs.
They needed to be heated up though. If the bar needs to be turned up a little bit, it's a little on the chilly side. Food is not completely hot.
But she don't
care because she like cold food.
Yeah.
I like hot. Like take my plate and put it in the microwave and bring it back out. I want to see the smoke running.
Put it in the microwave for 10 minutes. She wanted to burn through the plate.
Food burnt in the motherfucker. I be still sitting there like, this food's so good. Food burnt in the motherfucker.
Okay, I don't like this. The spring roll did not make it. Okay, now remember this, y'all. Back to it. Cause I fucks with it, but it's too many onions, so I don't. But it's so good. I like onions, I do. And potatoes and onions is good when the onions are cooked, but it's delicious. Anyway. We'll be back. And I recommend you come here too. Because it's really good. That's delicious. I don't know why I can't turn my camera around. So I guess when you start a video, whatever way you start recording, I'm like, fuck y'all. Anyway.
This will be the first plate that I've really finished.
It looks delicious.
Cheesecake not bad. It's just out the box, like not even the Jello bake. It's like the one from what's that place called?
Save-A-Lot.
Yeah, it's that one.
But this chicken though.
Yeah. Bitch, don't be eating a chicken like that. Bitch, get somebody that food.
gonna get your ass whooped.
No, for real, you know, with your eyes up at it. All right, bitch, let me show y'all what I can do then, bitch. Let me show y'all what I can do.
I hope your mama see this.
No comment. She probably will see it.
Cause we're gonna be famous on accident. We're the world's greatest couple. We're the new Christian and Damu. Except we ain't gonna break up. And we gonna eat all the time.
No.
Every video you see gonna be us lesbians eating something. I'm talking about food. Clean up your mind, little dirties.
It was her mind. That was dirty.
It's me. I'm little dirties.
Wow. Damn, that ice cream. I want to take some of the ice cream home.
You want to take it home? Was that delicious? I'm going to go get some.
They ain't going to let me take it home.
No, they're going to make you pay for about £1.
I'm going to be nice to the manager. Like, you remember me? You remember?
She going to go in there, start playing with the manager, get her ass beat and the manager ass beat. We ain't going to never be able to come back here again or make any more reviews for this place. Because we done jumped the manager. No, I'm just kidding. I would never do that. Y'all bitches know Chinese. I saw that nail video. I would not be the black girls in the nail shop.
What's the black girls in the nail shop be doing?
Y'all remember that video? When Chinese people jumped them black girls in the nail shop.
Oh, yeah. Bro, they more ghetto than us. They Indians. You know, y'all remember they black. Okay? That's what people tend to forget about Chinese people. And they're going to beat your ass, bitch. They're going to lock you in the store.
So I'm really, really sorry, Mei-Ling. I'm sorry. I'm not going to do anything. We're going to keep the peace and we're going to keep eating here.
You might as well keep eating cheesecake. Fuck it.
She loved it. Can I put my finger in it?
No.
Damn.
It's my cheesecake.
I was gone. Boop, bloop. What you would have did?
Stab you with the
You would have
fork?
stabbed me with the foot on the camera?
Yeah.
I would have uploaded it to YouTube anyway.
Yeah,
Disastrous.
I just want the crust.
Okay, so we about to go because I'm about to go get me some dessert and I don't have time for this, but this is a good place to come and eat at. So what's your rating, babe?
3 star.
I give y'all a 5. Maybe because I'm high, but this shit was delicious. Everything that I ate, I liked. Except that spring roll. No. It was burnt. But everything else.
My favorite thing was the chicken that you supposed to eat with the sweet and sour chicken. It had a funny taste to it. It didn't taste right, y'all. I think it was the cat.
Ignore that. Everything else was awesome, though.